Bring the flavors of Jamaica straight into your kitchen. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert cook to make these dishes. In this ebook, you'll get clear, simple recipes perfect for beginners, but also cultural notes and Jamaican cooking tips. For example, jerk chicken, famous rice and peas, and my favorite, curried coconut shrimp, and few other more. Now, how to get the ebook? Let's go on my TikTok page. This is the link. IG, this is the link. Click on buy and enjoy.